half of this one in here. I'm gonna add my yeast. I'm gonna be adding 1 spoon of baking soda. I'm going to be having half spoon of salt in here. Just tiny salt. I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of sugar. Mix those ones together. I'm going to be adding yogurt, plain yogurt. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit amount of olive oil. Now I'm going to leave it to rest for 1 hour. Now I'll learn to learn. So my friend showed me how to make this one way back. I'm moving on to my chicken curry sauce. I have my chicken in here. I already washed them and cut them. I have my 3 onion here. I have my fresh tomato, ginger, my garlic here, my curry powder, my seasoning. I have my olive oil, my black pepper in here, all-purpose seasoning here, my chili flake in here, my seasoning salt in here, my jar seasoning, and then I have my salt. So I'm gonna crush all the garlic and the ginger in here. So those ones go there. This is my ginger and garlic paste, my fresh ginger and fresh garlic in here. My chopped onions with my oil, there's some oil here. Now I'm adding my ginger and garlic paste. Adding my chopped tomatoes. I'm going to clean some of my jars. adding my chicken. I'm adding 1 spoon of curry. One spoon of my all-purpose. I'm going to be adding some of my black pepper. Like 1 spoon. Some of my chili flake. Adding my potato from potato. I'm adding my warm water. Just add the amount that will make your chicken to be cooked with your potato. I'm trying to clean here and spread again once again because I'm going to use the service to do my dough. It's now hot. That's my curry sauce here cooking. That's my naan bread here. See that? I leave it in each side for 3 minutes. Oil, okay. Now my naan bread is ready. That's my chicken curry. That's my naan bread that I was making. That is it. See? So nice and soft. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.